guys, please excuse the mess, the dishes, and the stuff on the table, but I wanted to show you guys what my kitchen, a last look at this kitchen, the way that it looks now, because even the trash can, I am going to be doing a overhaul and repainting and updating my kitchen to my liking. When we first moved in here, we immediately changed out the countertops. The countertops that they had in here were so ugly. I have changed the knobs since we moved in here, but as you can see, one broke, so I'm just gonna replace the knobs that go for the drawers. And this dishwasher was brand new. The previous owners lived here for 20 years prior to us. They had this house built and they never used a dishwasher. So it was brand new, and I got a little trick to turn it into stainless steel without buying a new one. I will be transforming my trash can as well. I did put up this peel and stick backsplash, or not backsplash, it's peel and stick wallpaper. I did that like right before or during the Christmas season, I want to say. So that is staying. The curtains are going. All the red you see is going away. All this up here at the top is going away. Yes. My refrigerator mess is going away. Yes, the red door is going away. I am giving it a total overhaul. Now, this will just be cleaned up and you won't see any food. I won't be doing anything to this area other than the cabinets. And this kitchen table is going away, y'all. This big old, look at this. The dog, my grand dog, got a hold to the legs. Look at it. You see that? And then I broke that trying to stand on it. Yeah, so this table is going away. I'm waiting on my new table to come. I got it from Amazon, y'all. I try to find as much as I can for a little as I can. I am not going to spend a lot on this redo. That little dog area is going away. It's going downstairs where the dog room is. I will only be leaving their treats and food up here. These curtains, bye-bye. That blind, I really want to switch these blinds out to shades, but it's not in the budget right now. So, yeah. So I will be giving it an overhaul. Now I am contemplating on my replacing. Well, I've had this coffee maker for a very long time, and it is raggedy. It sounds raggedy when I use it. So I think I'm going to switch that out. But yeah, I have a new shelf, or it's like a pantry thing that's going to be going in the area where the dog stuff is. So yeah, I got new curtains coming. So this is the final look. Now I will say that recently we changed out the light, so I will have to insert pictures of what was here before. But this is the new light. I got this from Amazon. I will be trying to link as much as I can down below. So my cousin just came over today to go ahead and put these up because I will be starting on this redo tomorrow. I took the day off to do that. And then we also switched out the light in the ceiling. Yes, it is the soft white lights that I hate, and I did just buy some more bulbs, so I gotta switch those out. But I actually love this light fixture. Got it from Lowe's. Again, I will try to link everything in the description below, but this light was $99, and then the one above the table was only $50 at Amazon. So yeah, so I hope you guys sit back and enjoy this little overhaul. All right, you guys, I am finally finished with what I am going to be doing right now for my kitchen. As you can see, the wall color has changed completely. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen the wall color because you've seen part of my kitchen. But yeah, you guys, some of this stuff did not change, like my decor on the top here. Um, and up above, now you do see some paint little speckles, but hey, my husband did that. I did decide to decorate the top of my cabinet on this side. And there you go. There's the paint color for our cabinets. Now my husband did lose one of the handles for the doors, so have to buy some more for that. And that door won't shut because I have a little basket screwed into it that is holding my bags from the store. I have to declutter that little area. And y'all, my cabinet, my dishwasher was white. I did put some peel and stick stainless steel paper on there. I do have to fix it, as you can see right there. And I do have to get a little bit more bubbles out, but other than that, it looks really good, y'all. I was gonna spray paint my other trash can, but I ended up finding a bigger one on Amazon, so I went with that. Around on this side, I did paint the door black. Excuse that brown wreath holder. I do have a black one, but I think it got put up with my Halloween decor. I took the red little things off of my refrigerator. I'll probably order some black ones. And nothing really changed over here except for the cabinet colors at the bottom. I do like the two-tone cabinets, so I will be keeping it like that. I was going to paint them all, but I like it two-tone. So, and then this, y'all, is my favorite part of my kitchen. I feel like I am in a cafe when I sit in here now. Drink my coffee in the morning sometimes, on the weekends. But yeah, y'all, I absolutely love the transition of this part of my kitchen. Believe it or not, that rug only costs $50 from Amazon. I am going to link everything that I can down in the description below, because majority of the stuff that I got came from Amazon, including this table and chairs, which the table was only a little over $100 and the chairs was a little bit over $100 as well. I did get this little cabinet. It is housing all of my kitchen gadgets and the dog treats, because as you can see, I moved my coffee station on this side, and I moved the dog stuff downstairs except for their treats and their food. That little rack I got from, I want to say, QVC for like 20 something dollars. Those racks can range between 50 and up, but I did find one to link down below for you guys, because that sale that I got it for is no longer on sale. I did find one on Amazon. I will link that down below. I did get a new coffee machine. I can link that down as well. This one I can make hot and cold brew and lattes, and it has a milk what is it? Milk frother. I always get tongue twisted, but yeah, it is a Keurig. So tomorrow will be my first day using that. I did change out my curtains and my curtain rods. As you can see, the curtains I love because they have a little speckle of gray in there to match my walls. I did put up some peel and stick wallpaper as well, just on this little focal wall here. But yeah, I am loving it. I love the scenery. It's sitting out, looking out the window during the daytime. It is so beautiful, y'all. But yeah, these little mats I got from IKEA a while ago, so I've been using those. I got the little table runner from Amazon as well. This tier tray, which they still have, is at Hobby Lobby on sale, you guys. And then y'all, I had to add some plants in here. I got this fiddle leaf from Home Depot. And then up top I do have, these are all real flowers, y'all. I do have a little decor up there. It's 3 real plants. Actually the one that's in this grow planter, I grew from another one of my plants that I have. So it finally got the roots in there, so I went ahead and potted it. But yeah, I've done that before for 2 other ones, so they do grow pretty well. And again, over here I have my same old thing with the windows. Got another plant there. And as you can see, I did have some appliances under here. Now my Instapot is not an Instapot brand, but it's just like the Instapot. It was too big to fit in that cabinet that I bought. But I am keeping my cookbooks here, and those plants are real as well. I do have to put the little plugger thing back on. But yeah, I don't think that I'm going to keep the dog food there. I just put it there for the sake of this video. But yeah, I am loving how everything turned out. I had to try to maximize my space because I do have a small kitchen. I don't have a lot of cabinet space, and so I cleaned out everything that was under here, and we're now storing stuff that I get from Sam's. I do put some in my pantry, but this is like the holding area for when it's time to restock the pantry. So I was able to get a lot. I know you guys see my Sam's hauls, and I'm pretty sure you're probably like, where does she keep all her stuff? But that's how I figured that out to do, because I do have a small pantry. And then up top here, I am utilizing this as storage space as well. Now, they only have one of those rattan baskets with the lids. They only had one that size, so I'm waiting for them to restock that. I got that from TJ Maxx. So I'm going to put another one on that side to actually hold more stuff. I have chips in this one. Nothing is in this one yet. I will be putting some more stuff in there. And then, y'all, I cannot not have anything on my refrigerator. So if you do have to have something sitting on top of your refrigerator, my suggest for it not to look tacky is to put it in some baskets. So that's what I did. And yeah, y'all, that's gonna sum up this little kitchen makeover. This was very inexpensive to do, but I will put the everything that I can link, I will link down below for you guys. I thank you all for watching, and I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.